Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make portrait and landscape in same document. So as we can see, this document has 4 pages and every page is portrait. So if you want to change some pages in landscape, so make cursor in the last, then design, then click on layout. Now click here this page setup. Now here select landscape, apply to select this point forward, then click on OK. So as we can see, this is the portrait and this one is landscape. Again, you want to create portrait, so make cursor in the last. Make sure you make cursor in end of any page, then click this drop down arrow. Now select portrait, select this one, this point forward, then click on OK. So as we can see now, pages are portrait and landscape. So first one is portrait, second landscape, portrait, and we will create this one landscape last, and landscape, and select here this point forward, then OK. That's it. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment in this video is useful for you or not, and by these simple steps we can know how to create and how to make portrait and landscape in same document. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.